Hey, Byron here from HobbyKing.com with today's daily video. Got some cool new parts to show you for your Turnigy TZ4 all-wheel drive touring car. So most of you are familiar with this already. Very cool little micro car, and those of you who already have them have been asking us for upgrade parts. Well, we've got some now. We're going to have some more in the future as well. But let me show you this first batch we've just gotten in. First thing that stands out, these are really cool, all alloy rims. So you see here, these are gold anodized alloy wheels. We've got the two different sizes because obviously your front and your rear are different width wheels. Now these, the width matches the stock wheels, so you'll be able to use the stock tires or any other tires which fit that size. But these come in different offsets. So we've got 3 different sets here, and so offer you a few different offset options to match different body shells. So these are nice, give you a little bit stronger wheel and tricked out look as well. Now also on the side here we've got some of these blue anodized alloy parts you can see as well. We've got, these are hub carriers, very cool. We've also got a differential block here. These are in blue anodized alloy as well. And some other various bits, like I said, front and rear hub carriers. You know, really cool stuff. Now, these are all metal outdrive cups with dog bones, so this is cool. This will replace the stock plastic ones on the car. Nice little upgrade to improve the strength there. So anyway, guys, these are the newest upgrade parts for the TZ4. You want to check these out. Going to be on the website very soon. So great way to trick out your TZ4. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel as well.